Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how DevOps helps us build and deploy software fast and safely. DevOps is a teamwork strategy. Developers write code, and operations keeps it running. Together, they act like a well-oiled machine. First, the build step. Building means taking small code pieces and assembling them into a finished app. A tool like Jenkins is our robot assistant. Next, deployment. Deploying means moving the finished app to the internet so everyone can use it. Docker packages the app in a shipping container. Here is a simple DevOps toolchain. Git saves every change. Jenkins or GitHub Actions builds and tests. Docker packages the app. Kubernetes manages many containers at once. We use DevOps to go faster and reduce mistakes. In simple math terms, success grows when automation is high and manual work is low. With DevOps, companies can update their apps many times a day, not just once a month. Thank you for learning with me.